Hey, it's Albert here. I just wanted to show you if you come into your account here, right, and you go to your account settings, it's going to bring you to this page. You're going to come down here and you know where your SMTP is, right? So you just click here, right? And when you come down here, this is where you can actually edit and put in a footnote for your unsubscribe, okay? So that's where you're going to get that, or that's where you're going to be able to edit that stuff there, okay? Now, your domain has nothing to do with your SMTP, okay? They're completely separate. So the unsecure HTTPS, I know we got that. You're going to deal with that. Once that's addressed, you'll be good to go. That has nothing to do with this, okay? I just wanted to make sure you knew where this was and that you understand that they're two very completely and separate things, okay? All right. Now, real quick, I wanted to let you know that if you go through here, okay, so it looks like you got this one secured. That's awesome. Let me see here. Okay, now, okay, so .net and .com. Okay, all right. I would say if you're going to use, you'd be better off using a domain here, one of your domains. Because once this is secure, like this is secured here, if you're going to use this one, I'm not sure which one you want to use, but if you're going to, it would be better for you to use this instead of using those links that you had that were unsecure, okay? Let's see here. So I think that's what you're doing. You're going to use this here, this link, your domain here, which is all secured. Awesome. And then you're going to go and use your SMTP here. That way, your SMTP, the email links are all secure. So that looks like an awesome thing. It looks like that's what you're doing. All right, yeah, so I think I covered everything. Just make sure you understand that SMTP and the domain are completely separate. So as long as your domain is secure, like I just saw your other one was, you're good to go. All right? Let me see.